Good day MFD subscribers, Chris here from Salaping Crypto channel. Another video tutorial on how to complete the daily task in MFD. Kung paano gawin ang mag-like and share dito sa MFD. Let's go. Open your MFD account. From dashboard, go to menu sa left side and tap rewards. Choose binary. Makikita nyo dito ang current available income ng wallet na to is $50. This account has capital of $1,000. It means, kailangan ko ng 25 like and shares daily para may $10 income na papasok. Gawin na natin. Go to menu and choose dashboard. Swipe up natin para makita natin ang today's available post. And let's do the like and share. Bawat column ay may 5 total post. Tap nyo lang ang show more to see available post. After na magawa natin ang 25 likes and share, swipe down naman natin para makabalik tayo sa itaas. Kung sakaling kulang ang like and share, pwede ka mag-posting. Maximum of 5 posts lang ang pwedeng gawin daily. Pag natapos natin ang daily task, swipe down naman natin to refresh. Now, let's check if pumasok na ang $10 daily income natin. To check that, go to menu, from dashboard, choose rewards, and tap binary. From $50 available in our wallet, ay naging $60 na. Ibig sabihin, pumasok na yung $10 or daily income natin. Ganyan lang kadali ang daily task dito sa MFD. Remember, gawin ang daily task para may daily income na papasok. Incomplete task means no daily income. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.